Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope by now you should have watched some of my video, and if you are coming across this video for the very first time, this is Zion Hub Logistics, where we money makers get to discuss how we can make money online, then how we can boost our business. Then we also talk about mini importation. So you must have been looking for how you can download, register and verify your WeChat account. Alright, that is why you find yourself watching this video. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, as you're watching this video now, kindly hit the subscription button, so whenever I post any video, YouTube will notify you. Then kindly give this video a thumbs up. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to be downloading and register WeChat account completely today. Okay, so what's the importance of using WeChat account? With WeChat account, if you have a verified WeChat account, you can easily make use of it to chat your 1688 supplier. All right, so I want you to know, and I need you to know something, that there are some people that don't know how they can verify their Alipay account, and they find it difficult to afford an international passport. Guys, you can easily get your WeChat account to pay your supplier. Okay, so if I don't cover it in this video, then watch my next video. I'll be telling you how you can make payment with your WeChat account. Okay, so without further more ado, let's dive into today's video. This is my home screen of my button of my phone right now. I have to go to the Play Store, then install the WeChat account. So after I install it, you are going to click on the registration button. So this is my Play Store. Without wasting much of our time, let's just dive into the practical aspects. So you get to download WeChat right here. So you search for WeChat, you can see the icon. This is the first one here. So you click on get. All right, so clicking on get will download this video. So once you have been able to do that, so let's quickly wait for this to download. All right, so once we are done downloading it, you can see that the download has already started. You can see right here that the download has already been successfully done. All right, so with this simple process, you'll be able to download and register your account successfully. All right, but before I open this app, if you still find it very difficult to download and register WeChat account, just make sure you find your way to message me with this number on your screen. So once you have been able to message me, I can easily create and scan your WeChat account for you. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is just to open this app. So I click on open. Okay, at the very first time, this is what you are going to be seeing. So you need to click on allow, and it's going to be bringing these two options which you are seeing on the screen right here. The first one is login. This login is applicable for those who have already have an existing account. All right, so let me click on login here. You can see right here that is telling me to log in via my phone number. So I have an account. If I want to log in now, all what I need to do is just to input my account here, where you are seeing +234. And if you are not from Nigeria, you can easily change your region here to the country of your residency. Then you go ahead to input your number. But guys, that's not where we are going. All right, so now we want to sign up a fresh account with WeChat account. So we need to click on this green icon here where you are seeing on sign up. So I click on sign up. Sign up will takes me to these three options here, where you are seeing sign up with mobile, the other one sign up with Apple, then the third one sign up with Facebook. Okay, so these two options where you are seeing sign up with Apple, sign up with Facebook, we are not going to be making use of that, because if we make use of it, it's not going to verify us. Okay, this option is applicable for those who are in China. All right, so we are going to be making use of this mobile option. We are going to be using our phone number to register. Okay, so what you want to do now is to click on this sign up with mobile with this green icon here. So I click on this guy, and once you click on that, you are going to see something like this. What you want to do now is to click on this full name. You want to input your full name. Okay, so I input this name here. All right, so if you are not from Nigeria, you need to select your country of residency by clicking on this arrow here. Once you click on this arrow, you select your country of residency. Okay, so as at for this video, I'll be using Nigeria. The next thing you need to do now is to input your phone number. By the virtue of you selecting your country at this region, they are going to be inputting your country calling code, which is +234. You can see it right there. So all what you need to do now is to start, instead of me using 081, I will not be using that 0 again, because the 0 have covered your country calling code. All right, so what I'll be starting with now is 81. Okay, I won't be inputting that 0. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So what I need to do now is just to click on 81. Do you understand? Then 54, then 54, 8154. All right, so you input your complete phone number. Please don't do any mistake here. Once you do mistake, because they are going to be sending an OTP to this number. Okay, so all what I need to do now is to input the correct phone number. So I input this phone number. This is the phone number I wanted to use. Then you set up a password. This password is very, very important. Make sure you are setting the one that you are going to understand. If you know that you are still going to forget it, screenshot this page or you write this password somewhere. Okay, so I'll be using my password here, so which I've already set right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on their terms and condition. All right, so if you want to read their terms and condition, you can easily click on that terms of services. Okay, so we are not going to be doing that now, but if you want to learn how it works completely, you can just click on it. So you click on this, you check on this 0 icon here, you check on this box. You can see that it has already turned green and mark it. So with this, is showing that I've already accepted their terms and condition. All what I need to do now is to click on accept and continue. Okay, so let's wait for this page to load. The next thing we are going to be seeing right here is their policy. All right, each apps have their own policy. So all what you need to do right here is just to go through it, their terms and condition and their policies, so you won't get to violate any of their policies, so they won't lock your account. All right, so you can just scroll down, take your time to read them. For this video, I won't be talking much on this because I don't want this video to be a very long one, so you can just understand. That's why I'm taking you step by step. Okay, so now if you are done with all this and you are okay with their policies, all right, all what you need to do now is just to check on this post where you are seeing I have read and accept the above terms. All right, so I check on this box. Checking on it will give me the access to continue the registration. So I want to do, all what I want to do now is to click on next. Okay, so it's going to be loading now and take us to where we are going to be verifying, and one boot will come up where we are going to be sliding. Okay, so you can see right here that it's saying security verification. They need you to confirm if you are a woman or a robot. Okay, so what you want to do now is to click on start. This is a very simple process, guys. So you can see right here that this is bringing a boot where I need to confirm that I'm not a robot. Okay, so it's a very simple process. I wait for this page to load. You can see where you are seeing this triangle here. We're having two triangles and we're having this green icon. This green icon is what you are going to click on, then you drag it. All right, so you long press on it, you drag it to that triangle to confirm that you are not a robot, because a robot will never find anything like this. It's not going to do it. That's why they are confirming if you are a robot. So all what you want to do now is to long press on this green icon. You can see that I'm dragging it up and down. You can see, so you are going to drag it. Might not come in this form, but just try to drag it to where you are seeing this triangle. You can see right here. So once it's complete, you are going to release it. Do you understand? So you can see that it has marked it and confirmed that I'm not a robot. Okay, so the next thing you need to do now, they've sent code to this number. All right, so let's wait for this code to arrive. That is why I said you must be sure of this number, because they are going to send an OTP to it. Although it might take time, it might take some times. All right, so I got the code already. All what I need to do now is to input this code here. Okay, so I have the code already, then I input it, and once I'm done, I click on submit. Okay, these are the simple steps that you are going to be taking to verify your WeChat account. It is a very simple process. Do you understand? So you can see right here that my account will be verified in a jiffy. You can see right here that concept required for WeChat account. You can read this, their latest terms and conditions. So if you are okay with it, just click on next. All right, if you are okay, you still have to read again, because they are having varieties of activities on this WeChat account. So once you have been able to do this completely, you can see that I'm scrolling down now. So once you have been able to do this, it is very, very simple process. So I need you to just click on accept. You check this box again that I have read and understand the above terms and conditions. So once I check this box, it will give me the opportunity to just click on next. Okay, once you have been able to do this, it's going to take you to the next option, which you are still going to check. You can see that they are having their acknowledgement and their policy again, so you still have to check on this box, then you click on done. All right, you can see, guys, that without any stress, I've been able to verify. So if you want this top story and all this, you can just unchecked and checked. Okay, so all what you need to do now is just to click on done. I click on done and I click on allow. So this is a very simple process to open your WeChat account without any stress of going through barcodes, or you want to scan your account, you want to do this. No, you can see that when following that process, I never did any scan code or anything. So it's as very simple. And if you want to verify your WeChat account and you are trying to register, they are telling you to scan a code, that you should send someone the code to scan it for you. Fine, just find your way to my WhatsApp, send the code to me. I will help you to scan it in a matter of time. So you are going to get your account verified. Okay, and I'll still be registering another account that have to do with this barcode, so you are still going to understand how it works completely. Guys, the more reason you need to have your WeChat account, so you can pay your supplier, and you can also make use of your internet banking and your online transaction with this WeChat account. In my next video, I'm going to be talking into details the most important reason you need to open WeChat account and why you need to do it and verify it. So guys, I will see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, find your way to my screen right there where you see subscribe. It's free to subscribe, just click on it, subscribe. Okay, so just DM me if you want to verify your barcode, and if you want to open a fresh account, you are not getting it, or you are having any issues, message the number on the screen of this video. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. And before I go, let me quickly take you through my profile. So what I need to do now is to click on me. I want to show you something. You can see right here that this is the name I input on the account, and if I want to change anything, I will just click on this arrow where you are seeing my WeChat ID. I click on it. You can see that this is my details. If I want to edit anything, put on my profile and all that, you can easily get it done here. So it's as very simple as that, guys. If you want to do anything, click on settings, then you set it up completely. It's as very simple as that. There is no stress at all. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.